Post game with Connor Kelly, the Waves defeat Newport 5-4. First victory over the Gulls in franchise history. Connor, a nail biter today. You came out in relief of Tyler Bowditch. You got yourself in a little jam. 2 on, nobody out. You got out of it. How important was that in this game?
I mean, it was huge. I mean, definitely had the defense helping me out behind there. I mean, that was a huge inning in there. We keep it where it was, and then we come out and get that run where we needed it. So defense definitely playing a key role there. I mean, if we let up a couple of runs, it's a completely different game. We lose a little momentum. So I mean, defense stepped up. Offense coming in the next inning was huge.
What was your mindset? Second and third, nobody out. What was your first thought? What was your first goal in that situation?
Just trying to get that guy out. I mean, trying to do what I could do to get him to ground out, pop out, do something in order to not let that guy at second or third advance.
You jumped out to a 2-0 lead. Your offense scrapped back 3 runs run in the 5th, run in the 6th, run in the 7th. How gritty were they today?
I mean, it's incredible. I mean, we'll take whatever we can get, but we're definitely a scrappy team. So if you give us an opportunity, we'll come out and we'll definitely capitalize on the mistakes that are made. So it's huge with our offense coming in the game and just being able to come up clutch when we need them to.
And Oliver with 3 scoreless innings of relief. He's been great out of the bullpen so far.
Unbelievable. He's huge. He's been extremely clutch for us. I mean, he's been that go-to guy where we know we can count on him and have him come in and shut it down. So he's doing a great job where he's at right now.
And you could hear the excitement in the dugout in the 9th inning. How exciting was the victory over Newport tonight?
Oh, it's huge. I mean, Phil after the game telling us 10-game win streak. So I mean, it's just proven that we can beat anybody on any day. So it's definitely a big momentum swing for us, and it's what we needed right now. It's a good pick-me-up.
Connor, thanks for joining us. Nice job tonight.
Thank you. Appreciate it.